Something is happening in the American stock market right now, and most people are not paying attention. Inflation is still eating away at your savings, your grocery bill is higher, your rent is higher, everything costs more. And yet, the stock market keeps going up. The S&P 500 just hit all-time highs. AI stocks are exploding. Billions of dollars are flooding into tech companies almost overnight. And somewhere in the back of your mind, you're probably asking yourself, is this real or is this a trap? Because here's the thing. We've been here before. The year 2001. The dot-com bubble. Everyone said the internet would change the world. And you know what? They were right. The internet did change everything. But the Nasdaq still crashed, nearly 80%. Millions of Americans lost their life savings almost overnight. Now analysts are using a new phrase. They're calling what's happening right now a parabolic melt-up. That's when prices rise so fast, so violently, that fear of missing out pushes everyday people to buy in, at almost any price. And historically, that never ends well. But wait, before you panic and sell everything, there's another side to this story. Unlike the dot-com era, today's biggest companies are actually making real money. Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta. These are not sketchy startups with zero revenue. These are the most profitable companies in the history of human civilization. But here's what should actually worry you. The entire S&P 500 is being held up by just a handful of companies. The top 10 stocks now represent a massive chunk of the whole market. That means if they fall, everything falls with them. And there's more. Government debt is exploding. Interest rates remain unpredictable. Some economists are now comparing America's economy today to Japan in the 1980s. Japan's market crashed over 50%, and their economy struggled for decades. Here's a story most people don't know. Isaac Newton, one of the greatest minds in human history, tried to time the market during the South Sea bubble of 1720. He made money early, sold, watched everyone around him get richer. Then he bought back in, near the very top, and lost a fortune. Newton later said, "I can calculate the movement of the stars, but not the madness of men." If Newton couldn't time the market, what makes any of us think we can? So what should you do right now? Here's what history actually tells us. Number 1. Stay diversified. Don't put everything on one bet. Number 2. Invest consistently, not emotionally. Number 3. Prepare your mind for volatility. Crashes happen. They always recover. Number 4. The people who build real wealth are not the ones who panic. They're the ones who stay disciplined while everyone else loses their head. Fear and greed will always control the market short-term. But patient, disciplined investors, they've won. Every single time. The question isn't whether the market will crash. The question is, will you be ready when it does?